I'm Sara. I'm the copywriter at Pip Decks. I usually just open the deck and browse through the names of the individual cards and then read the headlines, because I feel like that gives me the best idea of what that card will help me achieve. It's basically the goal of the card. So I was working on a landing page for one of our decks, and I just wanted to give myself a better idea of what the customer would go through before and after buying the deck. And for that, I used the Storyboard card. So this one promises that you will better kind of understand your idea if you draw a storyboard. So I thought it was a bit of an unusual and quirky way to approach the problem. I think sometimes you just have to kind of follow the fun. If it feels like it will be fun to do, then just do it, because you're more likely to finish something that feels fun. So with this card, I draw a short comic of the customer, starting from the struggles that they might have to the kind of alternative solutions that they've been trying and how they haven't been working, to ultimately getting the deck and then how that helps them. And thinking of the customer as a character in the movie definitely unlocked some new ideas for me. It helped me kind of empathize with the frustrations they might have and visualize that result that they would want. And then the card asks you to evaluate the idea, think about whether it makes sense. So what I did for that part is I went to our customer survey results and just compared it with real life customer testimonials to see if that's something that could have happened in real life. And I just wanted to say, because this is a workshop tactics card, workshop tactics is obviously great for groups and teams, but I have found it to be really useful for individual brainstorms. You basically get rid of all the meeting niceties, the scheduling and so on, and the moderating, because the only person you're moderating is yourself. And then you get to treat the tactic as a sort of a personal thought exercise. And I think there are quite a few cards in that deck that are good for this, like the 5 whys, for example. That's been really helpful for me. So I would definitely be advocating for that kind of introvert way of using workshop tactics. If you ever felt like you wanted to do it, but it felt silly, I think there's definitely something there.